Horses out, Yaboko boy, pass to begin, go Army, boom, 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 moving up top, naturally outside. Then comes Love Story, Owaki, and Anonymous, go Army, Bayoraling Kanehapa. Boom, boom, boom in the middle, and on the outside, third top, Nature, Owaki about 5 wide. Then in the middle is Love Story, Yoko Boy, Anonymous trails the field by about 8 to 9 lengths up the pace. Go Army, he's a length in front of Okoboy. Love Stories racing in third. Boom, boom, boom. Top Notcher moving up on the outside is Owaki and Anonymous still racing in last. They swing into the back. Go Army by about 2 lengths. Then here comes Owaki now moving up to take second. Racing in third. Moving up now Love Story. Boom, boom, boom. Okoboy, Top Notcher and Anonymous. And it's still Go Army now makes his move now by Oraling Kanehapa. Owaki remains in second and on the outside third. Boom, boom, boom. Okoboy, Love Story, Top Notcher and Anonymous. As they come down at the last 150. Go Army now rides away by about 3 lengths. Owaki still in second. Boom, boom, boom. Okoboy. Last 75 meters. The return of the comeback. JB Hernandez. Go Army. Second. Owaki. Close. Boom, boom, boom. Okoboy. Love Story. Top Notcher. And
Nadinig mo ba yun?